In today's digital world, graphic design holds a pivotal role. It's the heartbeat of communication, the visual language that weaves itself into every part of our lives. From the sleek logo on your favorite coffee cup to the interactive features on your smartphone, graphic design is everywhere. It's in marketing, driving sales through captivating advertisements. It's in entertainment, creating immersive experiences. It's in education, making learning visually engaging. Indeed, graphic design is a powerful tool that shapes how we communicate and interact in this digital age. So, what does it take to become a graphic designer? Well, it starts with a potent mix of creativity and problem-solving abilities. These skills are the backbone of any design project, but it doesn't stop there. You'll need to pair these with technical skills, mastering software tools like Adobe Creative Suite and Sketch to bring your visions to life. Whether you're designing a sleek logo or an engaging website, these tools are your paintbrush. Mastering these skills and tools is the first step towards becoming a successful graphic designer. Intrigued about learning graphic design and wondering about its earning potential? Well, there's a wealth of learning resources at your disposal. Online courses, video tutorials, and mentoring opportunities are all valuable tools to build a strong foundation. As for income sources, they're as diverse as the field itself. You could launch a freelancing career on various platforms, join a creative agency, or even start your own design business. With the right skills and resources, graphic design can undoubtedly be a lucrative career choice. Let's quickly recap what we've covered today. Graphic design is vital in our digital world, with diverse applications across a multitude of industries. To excel, you'll need a blend of creativity, problem-solving abilities, and proficiency in design software. Learning resources like online courses, tutorials, and mentorship opportunities can help you build a strong foundation. And remember, there's lucrative potential here. Whether you're freelancing, joining an agency, or starting your own business, remember, every great designer started somewhere, so why not start now? Subscribe to Nowasys for more insightful videos on graphic design and beyond.